Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Charger for Homeka Cordless Vacuum Cleaner by BTFO. While this isn't a full vacuum cleaner, it's an essential accessory for users of the Homeka H016 and HA016 models. Priced at just $7.99, this budget-friendly replacement adapter ensures your vacuum stays powered and ready to tackle cleaning tasks. It features a 6-foot cord for flexibility and a smart indicator light system, red when charging and green when fully charged, making it convenient and easy to use. The build quality of this charger is sturdy, with a compact design that won't clutter your space. It's specifically tailored for Homeka vacuums, so compatibility is guaranteed. However, it's not a universal charger, which limits its use to the Homeka H016 and HA016 models. While it's a great value for money, keep in mind that it's only useful if you already own the compatible vacuum. This charger is ideal for those seeking a reliable, affordable solution to keep their Homeka cordless vacuums powered. The pros include its low price, simplicity, and dependable performance, but the lack of universality and limited use cases are its downsides. If you're looking for a vacuum, you'll need to look higher up in our list. At number 4, we have the TCOM V500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This mid-range vacuum is packed with features, including a powerful 450-watt motor delivering an impressive 40 kPa suction power. It excels at handling pet hair, crumbs, and debris, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. The LED touchscreen is a standout feature, allowing you to adjust suction levels and monitor battery life with ease. While its 32-minute runtime is sufficient for most cleaning sessions, the design is sleek and highly functional, offering 6-in-1 versatility. It can transform into a handheld vacuum or stair vacuum, making it suitable for cleaning cars, furniture, and hard floors. The wall-mounted charging dock adds convenience, while the advanced HEPA filtration system ensures cleaner air in your home. On the downside, the runtime might feel limited for larger spaces, and the suction power is slightly less effective on high-pile carpets compared to premium models. Overall, the TCOM V500 is a solid choice for users seeking affordability without sacrificing features. It's perfect for homes with pets or small apartments, offering a good balance of price and functionality. If you need a step up in performance and runtime, stay tuned for the next products on our list. Coming in at number 3 is the Veep Sun Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This model offers a self-standing design, making it incredibly convenient for quick grab-and-go cleaning. With a powerful motor delivering 30 kPa suction, it easily handles dust, pet hair, and dirt on both carpets and hard floors. Its lightweight build is perfect for users of all ages, and the retractable pole reduces strain during long cleaning sessions. The 7-stage filtration system is a standout feature, capturing even the tiniest dust particles to improve air quality. The vacuum comes with multiple attachments, including a crevice tool and combination brush, making it versatile for cleaning tight spaces and different surfaces. With a large 0.8-liter dustbin and battery indicator for efficient monitoring, this vacuum feels thoughtfully designed. However, its single power level may leave some users wanting more adjustability in suction strength, and its noise level is higher than some competitors. For $84.50, the Veep Sun Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers strong performance and convenience, making it ideal for small to medium homes, particularly for families with pets. It's a great all-around performer, but if you're looking for advanced features like smart touch controls, keep watching for our top picks. At number 2, we have the TruCozy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This 8-in-1 vacuum is designed for versatility, easily converting into a handheld or stick vacuum with attachments for tackling furniture, curtains, and car interiors. It boasts a 45-minute runtime with energy-saving mode, making it perfect for longer cleaning sessions in medium-sized homes. The V-shaped detangle floor brush is a lifesaver for picking up long hair and debris without clogging. The TruCozy T350 features a bright LED display to monitor battery life and suction levels, and its 5-stage filtration system ensures clean air throughout your home. With a lightweight design and weighing only 3.3 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and ideal for users who prefer less strain during cleaning. However, the 150-watt motor delivers slightly less suction power compared to higher-end models, and the charging time of 5 hours might feel long for busy users. For $87.99, the TruCozy vacuum offers great value, combining functionality, portability, and versatility. It's best suited for families or individuals looking for a reliable vacuum to handle everyday messes across multiple surfaces. Still, it falls short of the premium features seen in our number 1 pick, so let's move on to the top spot. Finally, at number 1, we have the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This premium vacuum is the ultimate choice for those who want top-tier performance and features. With a powerful 180-watt motor delivering 70 AW suction, it's designed to tackle dry messes on carpets, hard floors, and pet hair with ease. The anti-tangle brush is a standout feature, eliminating the hassle of untangling hair from the vacuum head. Plus, the 50-minute runtime in Eco mode is one of the best in its class, giving you plenty of time for deep cleaning. The Levoit LVAC 200 is lightweight and highly maneuverable, with a 180-degree flat design to reach under furniture effortlessly. Its 5-stage filtration system captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. The vacuum also comes with several attachments, including a pet tool and crevice tool, adding versatility for tackling tricky spots. Though priced at $149.97, the higher investment is justified by its premium build, advanced features, and exceptional performance. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for those who want a stress-free cleaning experience without compromising on quality. It's the ideal choice for large homes, pet owners, and anyone looking for a reliable, high-performing vacuum with cutting-edge features. If you're looking for the best, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.